Hey everybody, and welcome. Today we are unboxing the Chic Beauty Box. This is a bi-monthly box. It did not come with a card, so in all honesty, I'm not 100% for sure. I'm gonna go with a September-October box for this. So I'm gonna get into all the details as far as how this subscription works and everything. Everything that is in this box, I do have some of the stuff on my face today so I can give you full reviews. So definitely make sure, I'm gonna get this video up first to y'all, then I'm gonna edit my try on, so that'll probably be the next video that you see. I'm filming this on Monday. Tomorrow ends my last giveaway from last week, and a new one will be going up, so it will probably be a double upload day for Tuesday. So definitely stick around, subscribe. If I can get this edited in time, happy Monday. It has been a crazy day. My youngest, who's 16, took their driver's test today. And yes, they passed, but I'm like, oh my god, my mama heart can't take this. So this may be the last day that I get to go pick my kid up from school because they're gonna be driving. I've already cried like twice today. It's just too much. It's just too much. So anyways, as always, before we jump into today's video, I'm going to give a shout out to Martha over at The Good Candle. I know a lot of you all have been picking up her fall candles. Thank you so much for using my coupon code, and thank you for supporting my friend Martha. She is the kindest, sweetest human. She's also a Gemini for my air signs out there, and I absolutely love Witch's Brew. I don't burn it. It's always my last in my fall collection that I burn because I love the scent so much. I actually have the one I can't pronounce, Duchalincha. However the heck you say that. I have that one going in my beauty room. In the kitchen I have pumpkin spice. It's not burning, I just burn one at a time. But code HOTMESS will save you 15% over there at The Good Candle. This is what it's gonna look like when you receive it, and her jars are different colors. They are reusable, sustainable, they're amazing. They're natural, hand poured soy. They're amazing, and I always have to give her a shout out. No, I'm not sponsored, but I definitely love supporting my girl Martha over there. So definitely consider giving her, you know, her business a little look-see. I'll have it linked in the comment section or in my description box below for y'all. All right, so let's talk about real quick. This is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where the first word is hot mess, and you chose to click on this channel. Okay, so you are being warned right now that the get ready with me has been interrupted 15 times because 1, anxiety life, 2, mom life, and 3, I just couldn't have my ish together to save my life. So there's that. So the Chic Beauty Box, like I was telling you all, is a bi-monthly subscription. It is, I looked it up, I had it in my head, and then I sidetracked. So it is actually $34.99, and it is 5 to 6 full-size products. These are brand name beauty products that are from the drugstore and high-end. Now the difference with Chic Beauty Box is not only is it bi-monthly, but it is, like my understanding, 100% customizable. Now I say that because they do send this over to me in PR, and I don't customize anything. I just get what I get and I don't throw a fit because I'm very grateful for the fact that they trust me and to unbox this for you all, and they're totally okay with me giving an honest review and honest feedback. So with that being said, it is 5 to 6 full-size products starting at bi-monthly for $34.99. Code, I think it's HOTMESS, will save you 10% off your first box. Now, when mine came, this was wrapped in bubble wrap, and it was in like a mailer, so it came like this. The first item, which again you would have customized, is this palette, which I have on today, by Elizabeth Arden. This is what it looks like. You can see the price up here. It says $45 with any purchase value of $186. I guess is what that means. And then it does come with some cards for a day look and a night look. Now, when I do my try on, I kind of talk about it as well. When it comes to Elizabeth Arden, I would never compare the formula of anything overly pigmented, overly opaque. It's a very like almost like natural wash of color kind of makeup, and I feel like that's just what it's known for. I don't even honestly know if it's still around. but I know it used to be at my Macy's. I do remember that. So this is what the palette looks like. Again, this is what you would have chosen, you would have customized. It's in a sparkly type of looking cardboard packaging. It's not too rough. And then of course it's got Elizabeth Arden on here. On the other side is the names of everything. And when you open it up, I did take out the brushes that were down here. They're in the box. But you have some face products over here, which I have the blushers mixed on my face today. The highlight I actually mixed with this eyeshadow. You have some lip products. There's a different lip product in here, so I didn't try it on. And then you've got all of these eyeshadows. Now, although the eyeshadow colors are pretty, they're not insanely pigmented. For example, I actually have this whole bottom row on my lids today. Now, I've had this eye look on for, by the time I'm filming this, it's probably been about 3 hours. And I did have a little bit of my Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Base on. I put everything on a tacky base. And as far as this purple shade goes, it kind of looks like it's pigmented, but it also kind of has like that wash of color look to it. Let's see if you guys can see. I'm not for sure if my camera's picking that up or not, but you can see, when you see how like light it is, even with a primer, it's a very light kind of wash of color. And I feel like when you are making your choice, especially if you are familiar with Elizabeth Arden, because like I'm thinking late 90s, early 2000s was when she was kind of popular. I think you kind of knew like that was more of like a wash of color. It's not like a vibrant, bold, you know, pigmented type of color. So anywho, as far as everything else has lasted, but I feel like the purple has really faded, and I just kind of honestly, I forgot about these lip things. But overall, I like the blush. I mixed both of the blushes together. The highlight, like I said, I mixed with that eyeshadow. And the thing with the palette is when you're getting into a subscription, I feel like you're getting into a subscription to grow your collection. And back when I first started, especially when I was a single mom, I would have been in seventh heaven with this palette. It did the job. All right, all of that to say, next item, and of course my camera is dying. So the next item in here, and again, this is something you would have chose, was the NYX Color Correcting Primer. I do have this on today. Full review and try on will be in the next video, but I guess I'm kind of giving you guys reviews here too. And of course my battery's dying because it's like, girl, you talk way too freaking much. I know, you don't have to tell me, but my camera will. So this is a color corrector. It's in a lavender purple. Per the color wheel, if you have orange or yellow you're trying to cover, or like hyperpigmentation, this is supposed to be good. I wouldn't say it was a very full coverage type of color corrector. I think it did its job. I do use a SEINT cream base, and I didn't do a heavy type of coverage on my skin today. I just went with more of like a natural, this is my skin, which I feel like no matter, even if I build it up, it still looks like this is my skin with no flaws. But you can see I still have some of my hyperpigmentation peeking through. I'm okay with that. If it did something, maybe it did a little bit, I don't know. I'm not really good at color correcting. By the way, there's no card in here, so I can't give you all like this is how much it's worth kind of dealio. The next item in here that you would have chose is the CoverGirl True Blend Base Business Skin Primer. I'm dyslexic, and that's why I bob my head, in case you were curious. This was a moisturizing primer. Could you have probably used them together? Absolutely, I'm sure you could have. But I chose to put this in the giveaway that you all will be seeing. If it's not already up, it will be up very soon. Actually, it's not. Okay, anyhow. So I did just go ahead with this one. The next item in here that I do have on today is the Laura Mercier. This is a Velour Extreme Matte Lipstick in the shade Heroin. And I mixed it with a bunch of different stuff because it is Maya. And when they say Maya, it is suck your lips, moisture, dry, whatever. Did not make sense, and I bit my tongue. So that's cool. I didn't like the way it felt. Again, this would have been a choice item for you. I don't know what it was up against. but I brought it back to life. I have my Cosmetics Chestnut lip liner on. Then on the inside, I colored my lips with the Gerard Cosmetics Ecstasy. Then I went in with this, and then I went in with my Cosmetics Truffle lip gloss, so it wasn't too drying on my lips. And I actually like the color that and how everything turned out. So again, you would have chose that. And then the last item in here is by Chic Beauty, and this is the Bouncy Blendable Highlighter, which I am going to be putting in the giveaway. It's in the shade Stardust, and you would have chosen, not for sure what it was up against, I'm sorry, but I love the Kaja packaging. I thought it was so cute and sleek, and then it looks absolutely beautiful, but I don't want to swatch it or anything. So really pretty. You could also use this for your eyes or what have you, but I wanted to go ahead and gift it to somebody because I have enough stuff. But that is the box, $34.99, less than that with code HOTMESS. Let me know what you all think. I do like the fact that it was very, I guess you could say, more so makeup heavy. You did have the primer and the color corrector, but I don't know. I think this palette, and honestly, the blushers did surprise me. They mixed beautifully. And like I told you all, back when I was a single mom and I couldn't afford a lot of makeup, I would have truly enjoyed the heck out of this palette. I know I would have. So anyways, if you all pick up this Chic Beauty Box, let me know what you picked out. Let me know what your choices were. I know that they email you all when it's time to make those choices, and I'd love to hear y'all's thought. Quick shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. You don't have to help support this channel, but you choose to, and I appreciate each and every single one of you. If you're interested in becoming part of the YouTube members, definitely make sure to check out my description box below. I am still learning about it and trying to figure out different ins and outs when it comes to it. As of right now, you guys do get little sneaky peekies at some of the videos beforehand, but I would like to do more, and that is definitely something I am working on. But like I said, thank you so much for helping to support this channel. I appreciate you all. Mwah. Don't forget to check me out on my other channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, for plus size curvy girl fashion hauls on my TikTok and Instagram at HotMessMomma4. Stick around for the giveaway that is coming up, and until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah. Bye friends. Don't forget to watch some of my videos playing at the end of today's video. My battery's dying. Bye. Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper.